Hi, I'm going to show you a few ways that your students can share their stop motion projects with their teacher. They could post them in the stream or in classwork in Google Classroom. If you created an assignment for them, they could go to classwork and find the assignment and then click view assignment and then click add or create. And they have 3 different options for adding that assignment. With this example, I'll show you how to add via a link. This is a little bit complicated. They can click there and then they'll have to go on another tab to their Google Drive and find the video they're looking for and then click on the share icon. By default, it's restricted, so they'll have to change it to anyone with the link and then copy the link and click done. Then they can return to the Google Classroom tab and paste with Control V and then add the link. And then they can turn it in. Another place that they could add it is in the stream. So I'm going to go back to the stream, and if you have it set up in your Google Classroom settings that students can post, they could either post the assignment or you can ask them to add the link here. So I put share the links to your stop motion projects, and so if they went into their drive and changed the share settings, they could paste it in there and click the send button. Or if you want them to have more options, they could post. So if they do that, you'll see those options again to upload from their device, add the link, or add from Google Drive. I'm going to show you how to add from Drive this time. This is my preferred method because it changes the share settings for you. So it takes them to their projects. If they're not seeing it, they could do a search. I'm going to go ahead and click on my video and then click add. And then I can't quite post it yet. They have to write something in this announcement. So they could just write their name or the title of their video or a description and then click post. And the third way to add a video is if I click here or inside an assignment and click on the upload button, then I could search in my Chromebook. So maybe I was using Stop Motion Studio and I downloaded or saved the file, in which case it's probably going to be in your downloads. Or maybe it went to your Google Drive. You could also look under recent. So here I see all of my most recent things that I've downloaded. Let's try this one. And then I'll click open. And now it's added that video. So I can't post it again. I have to say something about my video and then click post. The last thing I wanted to show you was you could also in classwork add links to Flip, formerly Flipgrid, or to Padlet. And that's another way that students could share and see each other's work. So if I go into Padlet, I can just click the plus button, and then you have all those options. You can upload, you can add the link. So if I click on upload for my device, or I could access my Google Drive here also, then I can add my video there. So I'll just go ahead and add a video and then publish. This is great because then students can comment or like each other's posts, for example. So I would have students add a compliment and maybe a suggestion